Thank you. Tango, tango, tango.
That is my top cup.
Don't take. Sonia. So hey guys, today I'm with my dad and we're shooting this Happy Father's Day, so that's why we were playing cards. I think we should stop now.
Okay, no problem.
So this is my dad, Dr. Jose came.
Those
No.
Michael.
Okay, Jose Kottarathil Michael. Okay, the first hero of my life, always my charming prince and everything. So to begin with, we have a very healthy juice today, and that's the Bittergourd juice. And we also have the biscuits. They're also Karela, guys. So if he doesn't answer my questions quick, or he wants to skip a question, he's supposed to have either of that. And at the end, if he happens to answer everything correctly, I will be having it. Not the biscuits, probably only the juice.
Biscuit you can give to the
Camera.
cameraman.
Okay, Appa. So, how has lockdown been for you with me and mom?
Lockdown was wonderful. Enjoyed my life with family for long 65 days.
Yeah, that's like the longest after a very long time because he works in Delhi.
After around 14 to 16 years of time.
Yeah, because he works in Delhi, he's over here every weekend. So yeah, Appa. So these questions, it's not only me alone who made it. There are a lot of participants who helped me make these questions. It includes all your adopted daughters. So to begin with, how was it when I was coming? When you got to know that I was coming?
No, this was really an excitement basically. Basically the day I got to know that my wife is pregnant, that itself was something, a big surprise to me. And the day I got you in my hand, I don't know. The time when I got, I actually started calling you Al Makri. You have to translate what is Wal Makri.
It's a tadpole, guys. Okay, moving on to the next thing. What was the biggest challenge you had after I came?
No, I was talking to Revati that considering
Revati is my mom, guys.
considering your initial behavior, I used to tell her that probably I may have to take one room there in the school. However, but I could see that a very accommodating, supportive child. So there was no challenge as
Probably
such.
you'll have to shift after I get married, but that is like completely changed, no?
No, that's okay. You come with your husband and stay with me, no? So there will not be any challenge after that.
Okay. What was the most surprising part about me to you? All over these years.
This question is really difficult because it's all every day used to be a surprise.
Used to, it's no more.
Yeah,
Not fair.
used to means right today also it is used to be because tomorrow I don't know what surprise is going to come in.
With regard to me.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because we were really thinking what next for you, but actually you were choosing or you were selecting for everything for yourself, including your dress when you were just hardly 3 months or 6 months. You used to show the colors which you like, and your mama used to select only what you
Like.
identify or what you like basically. So it was like instead of we choose anything, it is like you are identifying or you are the central point of the family. That's it.
Appa, next is like a title. You have to comment on that. Father is like mother. So what do you think about that?
It's actually true. in my case at least. Father was not like mother, father was the mother. Yeah. Because I got you in my hand and you were sleeping with me. In the small tender age, you had a small, maybe a tiny bed like this, and both you and me were sleeping on the floor because I was thinking that maybe even if I was on the cot, you may fall down. So you were sleeping on this small, tiny bed, and I was sleeping on the floor on a mat. And I used to see that I just take care of you like that, and you just come up in that level only. So it is not just title like that, but it is actually father is the mother.
Dada, give me a chance to make you have it.
That you can give it to your mother.
Okay, so as usual, you already know there's this common tag that daughters are always close to their fathers. What do you think it's in our case?
See, this is not closeness, it's not much beyond that level. I could see that many things you don't tell your mother, you used to tell me, right? And
I share it part by part, guys. Some things I tell her, some. I'm very choosy, I don't tell everything to everybody.
Oh, very good. So she is a divide and rule policy.
Exactly.
Okay, my mom's there, so they're just having a conversation. Yeah, so what do you think about our thing?
See, basically, I feel that it's like a good friendship because the level of trust we keep, that is very high. And whenever, because you used to get into trouble, no? That is something which I sit far away and I enjoy that one.
He never asks me. He never asks me what's your problem, but he'll come. I am the one who will go after every episode. I'll be like, Appa, this happened. And he'll be like, I knew it was happening, child.
Yeah, because that's something when that will help you basically in your growth, because everybody has to experience one or other level, ups and downs are there in the family. If parents are always behind you and supporting, then you're never going to cope up with such situations. So I keep myself away, see what is happening. Whenever I see that there is an intervention required, I intervene. Otherwise,
He doesn't intervene then also. Okay, guys, that's very wrong. Appa, you should drink. You should drink. He intervene after the entire thing is over. I'll be crying. Then he'll be like, it's okay, Ra. It's all for your learning. End of the story. And I do live with that. So, Appa, next is like 3 learnings in your life that you want to pass to me.
I think this is like an HR question. Probably somebody with an HR.
You're very correct. Please move on from that.
Three learnings from me. Your experience to pass on to me. It's exactly an HR question which we used to ask when we do an interview. See, I just wanted to tell you one thing, that don't take life so seriously.
Like that.
Because the whatever way you take, it's not going to happen in that level. It will happen as the way it has decided. So, point number 1. Point number 2 is, see, basically, whoever people you are living with or working with or you are interacting with, just give freedom to them and see that their voices and their thinking have their own. There is a lot of importance to that. It is, don't get to influence their thinking at any point of time, right?
Uttale, Appa.
And the third one is, see, basically, yes, it is good to have a goal or aim in life, but whatever come on to your plate, be happy with
I never have a goal or aim.
that. So that's all my three advice.
I live with
to you.
what I get.
Exactly.
You've taught me that, so yeah. Okay, so you can give even, for next question, you can say even what happened yesterday. The craziest things that the 2 of us have done.
Craziest thing what we have done, two of us. Every day is a crazy scenario.
Something or the other arises. Both of us are very crazy about babies and kids, so we don't really care. We randomly go pick them. That is also like one crazy thing we do.
Children are really crazy for both of us.
We both literally fight. It's not even like I'm jealous that he's going to the kid. It's like I want to play, he shouldn't get to play.
And I got one child who gives almost more than 10 children's effect or what I can say. What's the right word for that?
Cameraman, any suggestions?
Cameraman is not talking.
He's very silently laughing there. He means to say I have like all the qualities that a 10 kids can have.
No, not that. All the misbehaviors.
All the naughtiness.
That's right. Right word.
Okay, what I meant by yesterday was there was this place where our badminton cork happened to fall on one of the floors. He started plucking stems to take it from there and he literally got screwed by one uncle.
That's okay. He's like a grandfather. He can always advise me. I'm happy with that.
You should have seen his reaction then. Now he's handling it very subtly.
You want to drink?
No, I want to give you.
How many more questions we have?
I don't know. Next question. With regard to student politics, what do you think of the present scenario?
I think that is your question basically. Present students are all buffoons. Yeah. Basically, really, you really look at our time. See, when I was in second or first standard, I'm not sure which standard I was. I was leading a big strike. No, in our school around 700-800
He used to be like so much.
700-800 students were there. I was in first standard, I think, and we have blocked the entire city. City probably might have been some 30-40 shops only, but we stopped entire city, no vehicle moving, anything. And see, I can tell you that I really enjoy my student life. And you can understand my attendance in the college degree class. It was at the end of my 3 years of degree, my attendance was just 3, whereas we were supposed to have 75% attendance, otherwise difficult to get the examination papers signed. And daily 5 attendance, and at the end of 3rd year, my total attendance was 3. And I was called as the home minister there. And you know that 5,000 students were there in our college. 5,000, Brennan College. Still Brennan College, you just check with people.
Leading colleges.
That's our co-unstable's dad's college as well, guys.
Such a leading college. Even right
All
now.
the politicians.
Pinarayi Vijayan, the chief
CM
minister of Kerala, studied there. Many ministers.
I shouldn't have asked you politics. Okay. Well, no. I think I'll end up drinking that, guys.
Okay.
So, coming to the next question, what do you think are like the strong qualities that I have of yours?
See, I could see that one of my quality which I used to realize when initial stage itself is basically the ability to lead, influence, coordinate, get things done. I could see that all these qualities, one or other level it is there with you. Because I could see that you very nicely manage your wherever you are, even in college or in church, even in school time, you used to manage your team in a
influence others even to eat, surf.
Exactly.
Okay, I don't know if you guys heard that. So my mom just mentioned an incident in my UKG or LKG.
No, you
where
are
I
in
felt-
first standard.
Okay, don't upgrade me. So basically, I made a guy have surf because the previous day he did something to me. So the next day I took revenge by, we had a toy surf thing. So I put surf in that and I gave it to that kid.
No,
I'm very sorry if you're still, there, Kushal,
And
watching
the next
me.
day she didn't go to school.
Yeah, and 2 days, one day I was very scared to go because when I left school that day, I saw full, forming in his face, mouth and stuff, and I was scared.
Nice.
And I ran, came and obviously told this great man.
I still remember that story. His name was Kushal.
Yeah, I'm really sorry. I was a kid.
And she was not willing to go to school for 2 days. That Kushal fellow has eaten that one very happily. That
I gave him some milk powder, he had it.
So that is an interesting level of influence from the class 1 onwards.
Whose replica do you think I am? Yours or mom's?
That's a difficult question to answer because your mother also sitting there. Once the cameraman leaves the house, probably it will be like a war field. But I think you have the qualities of both your mother and me.
Whose do I have more?
Your mother has very good memory, but you don't have that one because I don't have much memory and you don't have that level of memory.
Guys.
She is.
Appa, I have good memory in what I'm interested in.
Yeah.
It's the same for him. He crazily loves movies, the same as for me. Mummy won't know the movie name or anything, and we would have watched the movie 10 years ago. He sees it in TV, he's like, that's the story, Molu. See, why are you even watching it?
Hey, your mom is like a crazy mad lady interested to travel around the world. That interest you have to a certain extent. But I'm not so keen to travel around the world. I'm very happy to be at home.
But I think the influence has happened and you are also joining the crazy
No, the
crowd.
thing is, he only listens to me, so basically I get to do anything. So I think we should move on to
So
the next
diplomatic.
question. What is the next question?
No question, so you can start.
What do you like the most about being my dad?
See, I'm very happy to be your dad because I don't need to put a lot of effort in anything. You're almost like a self-made personality or person in that level. So my effort is very limited. I don't need to run behind you. Though the overall canvas I can manage and I can control, or rather it is within my emotional boundaries. But I don't need to so much worry about you because you choose what you want. Mostly, I'm fine with that scenario. Next sentence I will not say that next time.
I love you, Pops. I know why you said that. Sorry, guys, you won't get it. Okay, so I don't think I'll ask you another my growth question. So, a funny or an embarrassing incident that took place when you had your college sneaky trip to Goa for New Year.
No, that was not a funny. It was really a funny. This I only told you, so probably your question is from you, not from anybody else. See, we had a wonderful Goa trip, I think in 1991, my second year of PG. So, after around, I think our 4 days trip, that was a New Year trip, 4 days trip is over.
He'll never let me go, he went.
And we checked out. The time when we started itself, we had decision that one person, we were 4 people, one person doing something, all need to follow. So on the way back to railway station, one fellow went inside and shaved his mustache. Then immediately after that he told, okay, shave my head also. So he did that one, so we were forced to do that one.
Peer pressure.
Very interesting thing happened is that after all those things, when we reached railway station, the last train to Pune left. So we got no other go but to stay back in the railway station And the funniest, not the funniest, the most miserable and difficult time for me is that all mosquitoes were sitting on my head, and there was no
The
hair.
bald head, guys, bald head.
Oh, and we slept on the railway station waiting for train for the next day. And as soon as we reached college, there was a big news spread out that police quarters, and they have shaved our head as a punishment. And we came back. We had no other way but to accept that. One reason is that was the
Nobody
normal,
knew.
that was a normal way of punishment at that time in Goa. In case we do a minor mistake or anything, but explaining to anybody, nobody was listening. So we thought, okay, there is no point in talking. That was really wonderful. Also some funny elements.
Yeah, which still remains unknown to me.
Cannot be explained.
Moving on to the last question, Pop. Please,
Nah.
for that,
Okay.
don't answer. Drink that.
Question, please.
If you could go back to one of the days in your life, in your childhood or adult, what would it be and why?
See, basically, childhood is the beautiful time of anybody's life. It's like a philosophy I'm talking. So, there is nothing, no fun in that. So, in case I get an opportunity to go back to my life, I would love to go back to my village and be there with my mother and father and all my 11 siblings. The reason is that was such a beautiful time, and we were almost like in the middle of a forest. Our house was, and lot of goats, animal, cow, and lot of agriculture activities. So many things were happening. It was like a wonderful, and I just cannot forget that memories. It was not, I won't say that there was no sad things. There were a lot. But considering now I am with this age, I would like to go back to that age that was like 6 or 7. No responsibilities. Happy going. Whenever you are hungry, go and sit there. You have enough interesting, lavish, tasty food. We'll give this one to our cameraman.
No, that one's for you. One, Pa.
One, okay.
Thank you, Arik. I am already drinking that. You have no philosophies to give?
Huh?
You have no philosophies to give?
No, there is no philosophy. Only one philosophy to you is life is simple and beautiful. Enjoy that.
Shady.
Okay.
So guys, this is for me. Actually, it's very tasty, that's why.
That is not, that is a very sweet.
Okay. Now it's not tasty. When I made and drank it was tasty. So guys, you want to see me drinking this whole thing or?
You drink, I'll clap for you.
No need, it's okay. So let's wind up the show. That was my dad. Hope you guys enjoyed and
You
thanks
finished
a lot.
that one, finished
Happy
that
Father's Day to everybody out there, each dad. And you guys are really special. You really make the daughters feel the most special in the world. I don't know what else to say. Oh, yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Also, if you want to see my dad questioning me, please do make sure you comment the same down. Maybe he'll get me a better juice.